add AI to make it easier with the skills you have already known. Let me tell you the truth. In 2026, AI will not take your job, but someone using AI can take your opportunity. The good news is you don't need to be tech savvy to make money with AI. So in this video, I will show you step by step how beginners can use AI to make money in 2026. Especially if you're a woman or a busy mother with limited time. Come with me. My name is Rita Onohai. My channel talk about how to make money, how to increase your source of income, and how to make it big on the internet space. So watch this video to the end. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more detailed video on how to make money online, and also share this video to your friends who also want to make money with AI in 2026. Let's dive in. First thing I'm going to do is to simplify what AI is. AI is not a robot or coding. AI is simply a tool that helps you work faster and smarter. It is a tool that makes your work very easy and simplifies everything for you. Think of AI as a smart assistant, as a content helper, and also as a business tool support. If you can type, if you can speak, you can use your phone, then you can use AI. Here's the truth before we continue. AI alone does not make you money. AI alone does not make you money. What makes you money is money comes when you use AI to solve problem, to save time, and also to create value. Let me show you some practical ways beginners can earn using AI in 2026. What are ways you can use to make money as a beginner using AI? Number one is AI with content creation. This is the simplest entry point for beginners. AI can help you write your script, can create caption, can generate video ideas, can also help you plan your content calendar. You can earn by growing a TikTok or YouTube page, by doing affiliate marketing on your page, and also by selling digital products or brand collaborations. So you don't need to be confident. AI helps you to get started. What are these tools you can use? You can use ChatGPT, you can use CapCut AI, you can use Canva AI, and there are so many of them. There are so many AI tools you can use to edit your video, to create more content, to do your scripting. AI is there to assist you, even as a beginner, right? Number two ways you can make money is AI with digital marketing or affiliate marketing. With AI can help your digital marketing journey so swift and easier. AI can help beginners to sell online without stress. How? It can help you to write your sales copies. It can help you to create product descriptions. AI can help you with WhatsApp messages. AI can help you to generate email content. You can actually tell AI to do anything for you by writing a good prompt that can give you the results that you want. How can you earn using this in digital marketing? AI can help you promote digital products. It can also help you earn by getting commissions for those products, and also can help you by running simple online offers. This is perfect if you already use your phone daily. If you're already into online businesses, AI can make your journey very easy. Number three way you can make money using AI is freelancing with AI. You don't need a degree, so beginners can use AI to offer services like writing content, writing scripts, copywriting, ghostwriting, social media management, virtual assistant, and customer support. AI helps you work faster, but you are the one delivering the service. So you get paid for speed, you get paid for consistency, you get paid for results you do. So AI does not replace you, it assists you. So if you're a freelancer, you can utilize AI to help you get a better result for your clients. Number four ways AI can help you make money in 2024 is that AI can help you create digital products. Yeah, you can create simple digital products with AI. You can create ebooks, you can create checklists, guides, templates, online courses. with AI. So it will help you to structure the content, it will help you to write it faster, and also design simple, maybe your front page and all of that. Give you simple designs for your content. You will sell it once, you earn in multiple times. That is the benefit of digital products. AI can help you sell it faster by giving you content on how to create that product. Number 5 ways AI can help you is that AI with small business support. Many small business don't understand AI. You can earn by helping them. So you can help them to write captions for their posts. You can help them to respond to their customers. AI can give you right response to any messages customers send to you. Even though it's not in your field, you can send AI to give you answer to it. That's why it's very good for virtual assistant. You can use it to create flyers. You can use AI to organize content. So you don't need to be an expert. Just one step at a time. So AI can help you support small businesses, and you get paid for your services in a very simple and in a unique way. So the common mistakes beginners can avoid or beginners make when using AI. Let me also warn you that you don't just jump from tool to tool. Don't wait to be perfect, and don't think AI will do everything for you. AI is just a special assistant. So AI works best when you pair it with a skill. That's why all this I'm mentioning is there's a skill attached to it. So AI will help you harmonize that skill and make it come out perfect. So what to learn first as a beginner is that if you are confused and you want to start earning with AI, start with content creation. AI can give you content ideas, content scripts, and everything. You can migrate to digital marketing with AI, and also you can also improve your communication skills with AI. Then add AI to make it easier with the skills you have already known. As women, especially mothers, we don't have unlimited time. Our times are limited. That is why AI is very powerful. It helps you to do more in less time. Even 1 to 2 hours a day using AI can change your income story in 2026. Again, I said AI is not going to do all the work for you. You're going to use your skill, then AI will fine-tune whatever you have known. Watch my video on the skills you can learn as women in 2026. When you have learned that skill, you can also make money with it using AI. In conclusion, AI is not the future, it is the present. If you want to learn how to use AI and digital skills to earn money as beginner, check the link in my description. Also, comment digital. You can start small, stay consistent, and let AI work with you. Don't be scared, all right? It will not scare you. Just get started. If you have found this video helpful, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video to someone. And don't forget to put on notification button so that you get notified in my next video. Till I come your way next. Bye. See you. Bye.